Hello everyone, Lance again. One more day working on the project on this little Honda. I was having a little bit of a rough day and I just needed some time away from everything, so I came out here to tinker around and I decided to attack this issue around the valve cover here. I pulled the plugs out, I took the bolts off the back, and as you can see, these are still look to be these two bolts are very broken. And well, yeah, we still had that issue. So I pull everything off. And this is what we got. Now keep in mind there was a seal in here. It's over here. I don't know if that seal's any good now. I'm probably just going to toss it and start over fresh. I might need to send this. I had to check all this, make sure this is all okay, but look at all this mess. I got some down here. There's some stuff there. Yeah, we got formagasket everywhere. But I think everything else looks all right. Hopefully there's no real problems. But just wanted to do a quick little update, let you know where I'm at today. Let you people see what I found in here if you were curious. Wow, look at that. They really formagasketed the stuffing out of this. That is literally, look how thick that is. So, all right. Well, that's a nice little quick update on the Honda. I haven't bothered with the downpipe yet. I've just been sidetracked. Haven't had much time with my job. And at this time of year, it's really cold out here, and I don't feel like freezing. Today was a warm day. Took a little bit of advantage of it. So, you want to keep up? Come on back for the next time I'll do an update. Thanks. Bye.